It took 5 shots and we were getting it on. And at 4 shots we had nothing on. 3 shots we were out of there. 2 shots whispering in your ear. I got 1 shot to love you all night long. Yes, sir. Yeah. Juicy J.
We are now entering Ikea.
Fuck, I missed.
What do you guys think of my new skateboard? What's good, babes?
Right, boys. Got a mission on our hands. Got some enemies in the south.
Wow, calm down.
Gotta leave those dickheads behind, like my wife left me.
Telaks? Where's... Oh, look. Ooh. Telaks? Where's Telaks?
Oh, fuck.
Oh, okay. Mr... Vagina?
Mr. Vegan.
Mr. V... Okay, I'm sorry, Mr. Vegan. So, what brings you in today?
I have a very unusual case.
Of?
I have toenails growing inside my toenails.
Holy fucking shit. Okay, so Mr. Toenails? So Mr. Brown, is it?
You are correct.
So I have here notes from your last session with your previous therapist, and it says you are scared of erectile dysfunction? So you don't have one, but you're scared of them. Sir.
Ooh, nice.
That's very nice, you know. What the fuck's your name? What's your name? What is your name? We're gonna fucking kill you. What's the information? What is it?
My name is Billie Jeans.
Why did you sound like Michael Jackson?
That's what I'm trying to do.
Oh, it's been a very difficult day today. Wait, what?
I have been expecting you.
Who the fuck are you?
I am your father.
You're Brown.
You're adopted.
So it's our first day together. Yep. So okay. So it's our first day together. And I want to say, I absolutely fucking hate you. So Telaks, was it a good day today? Was it a good date?
It was, you know.
Yep.
Nice scenery and
Glad to
I
hear.
just wish you took me somewhere besides fucking Ikea.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
I'll come after your family.
Okay, guys, I'm trying to find Amin. I don't know where the fuck he is, but... Amin.
Telaks! What are you doing?
Amin, let me join in.
Telaks, my boobs!
Let me join in.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Alright, what's good?
Should I take a snapshot here?
Why? You guys, what's good?
We are in Ikea.
We are way too fucking close together right now. I'm slightly getting attracted to you right now.
Get the fuck out of here. Hello?
Hello and welcome.
Hello? Oh.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello and welcome to my spiritual oral session.
Oral?
Come right in.
Oh, yes, please. I'll stand, that's fine.
Okay. That was supposed to happen. Anyways, that's the end of the session.
Okay.
Please come back to Why are you doing the voice?
Oh. Hello? Oh.
Why, welcome.
Hello?
Hi.
What kind of thing is this?
Are you looking for blowjobs?
What is a blowjob? Isn't that what you get at the
I'll show you.
There's a child there.
Where?
Okay, they're children around there. So let's stop pretending we're prostitutes. Hello, sir. I was wondering if you're selling any clocks.
Clocks?
Yes.
I'll be selling my cock if you would like.
That was a good one. You ready for this, yeah?
No.
got you. There's a car coming. I got you. Don't worry, the car's coming. Just let him go by. Just let him go by.
The window's open.
Out.
Hold on.
Oh.
I'm cool. Don't watch it.
Telaks, you're being very dangerous. No, come on, get off there.
Fuck the road.
Yeah. Oh.
Excuse me.
What kind of...
guys, boss.
Uncle?
Uncle, I'm looking for you.
Okay, guys.
Thank you for watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog.
If you have, please give it a like.
Is it a vlog?
It's something.
Let us know where else you want us to go. We went to Ikea. If there's any other big stores you want us to go to and just do random shit, let us know.
Maybe we can go Tesco's and, you know, attack people. We can do that, right? That's legal.
Sure. Subscribe to me. Link in the
Link in the description.
First link.
So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. And goodbye.
You should have told me you were doing that.